Hello and welcome to English Lectures by Usman Hanif. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon before you forget it. So if you want to keep learning different vocabulary items of GAT or elsewhere, keep watching this video till the end. So let us move towards the vocabulary learning. The first word that we come across is nomadic. Nomadic means khana badosh. In Urdu it is called khana badosh or vagrant dweller और इवन स्लम डॉग्स. इस हवाले से एक शेर अर्ज़ करता हूँ पंजाबी में कि जिथे चांदे ला लेंदे ने डेरे पखी वास, जिथे चांदे ला लेंदे ने डेरे पखी वास, तेरे वांगों वसदे रब्बा तेरे पखी वास, रूड़ी उत्तों लब्बी सां पालिया खौरे किन्ना, की दस्सां की लगदे ने मेरे पखी वास. तो ये जो पखी वास का लफ्ज़ इस्तेमाल किया गया है उसका मतलब है नोमैडिक. और ये इब्न खल्दून ने जो सोशियोलॉजी के रिलेटेड जो भी नॉलेज क्रिएट किया और जो भी बुक्स लिखी उनमें नोमैडिक का वर्ड बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ किया गया है. और नोमैडिक मींस रूरल पीपल और वेग्रेंट ड्वेलर्स और स्लम डॉग्स. आपने अगर मूवी देखी हो स्लम डॉग मिलियनेयर तो उसमें भी एक गरीब आदमी था जो कि बाद में बहुत ज़्यादा अमीर हो गया था. सो नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज़ रूमर. रूमर मीन्स हेयरसे और unverified information. If something is unverified, it should not be called information, but rumor is something that is unverified. There is a famous quotation: in West there is sense of humor, and in East there is sense of rumor. Simultaneous means happening at the same time. Now the word simul has been taken from simile. Simile means same thing or same or alike. Taneous means time. Simultaneous means same time. Next word is straighten. Straighten has been taken from straight. Straight means something that goes in the direction of the nose. Scandalous has been taken from scandal. Scandal means something dirty, something immoral, something indecent. Speculations. Speculation means spy out, means try to guess. When you try to make guesses sitting at some distance and trying to just figure out what could be the thing, well you are not exactly sure what it is happening around. Pedigree and lampoon are two antonymous words which have been used in literature. Whenever somebody is praised, pedigree is the term for that, and when somebody is mocked or criticized, lampoon is the word for that. So these are literary terms. Pedigree starts from P and praise also starts from P. So just keep in mind in that shape. Pedigree is for praise and lampoon is criticism. Parisian has been taken from Paris. Paris is the name of capital of France, right? So these were the few words. I'm going to update more words very soon. So please be updated with the channel. Thank you so much. Take care.